What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So Loopring went absolutely insane today. And when I woke up this morning, I was hyped to see that Loopring made a move. It didn't go ridiculously to the levels that people thought it was going to go to, even though the day is not over. It's not like the stock market to where the day is over, in the middle of the day. A lot of times you're going to see the massive growth and it hit its highest peak at like 4 a.m., something like that. So if you're seeing it hit any type of high prices during the day, it might not be over until we see the whole day, happen. And you have to get updates and all that stuff. So Loopring might not be over where it is. And it currently is at $3.09, did hit a high of $3.80, but we will get into all of that. And I did talk about the potential yesterday. And if you want to check out that video, definitely do it. I'll go through a little bit today so you guys do understand exactly where I'm coming from with the potential there, because some others mention different price targets. But I'm going to give you my price target for the end of the month, where I do believe this can actually get to, what will happen short term, and where I believe I will make more investments, and also let you guys know the fact that I bought more today. So, anyways, there's just a lot of news, a lot of things that are happening. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links in the description. If you guys want updates on cryptocurrencies, new cryptocurrencies that come on Coinbase, as well as like Gate.io and all of the underrated maybe cryptocurrencies, go over to my Patreon, and I'm looking to improve that system. I have 3 levels if you want to sign up for that, and also join the Discord group if you have any questions and you want to learn some things there or spread some knowledge. I mean, it helps either way. So, anyways, let's dive into this and look at exactly what happened with Loopring today. We can see here with Loopring in the last hour that we've gone from a level of let's say 345 all the way up to $3.84. All the way down to a lower level here of where we're at now of 309. I don't know why this isn't updating. But we can see here the whole entire day from the 9th at 10 a.m. Right, we did see this increase here. Let me go ahead and update this, because for some reason it feels like the chart is just not working the right way, and I hope that it is. Hope that it eventually fixes itself. There we go. Now we're seeing it. So we did see, this is the full day. We did see 392 of a high. Did fall all the way down to about 293, where I ended up making a move, and I'll get into what that move actually is in a little bit. Now it's currently at 310, and we did see a level on the 9th in the evening. It was at 270, 250, 260, but then increased to about that 392, which means that if you made a move yesterday when I actually uploaded my video, I uploaded my video somewhere around 9 o'clock. If you made a move around 9 o'clock, that would have been 279. You would have had a decent gain out of that from when I uploaded my video and talked about it. Even at 6 a.m., or I guess I started streaming at around 8, so it was already surpassed that when I started streaming. But I did see what happened this morning when I was going through it. But anyways, the move was great, and you can see how fast this movement actually is over the past week, from a low level, let's say it's down here in the dollar range, up to the level of 392 or 393. You could see here in the last month we were down at those levels of 50 cents. I think those levels are gone. You're not going to see those levels again. But if you're looking for a different entry place, I think we will definitely see this pullback a little bit. And I said we would see a pullback below $3, and it did pull back below $3. I still think we might see maybe a resistance point somewhere around 275, or a support level of 275, and possibly break that, but I'm not 100% sure. It's very tough with cryptocurrencies. I don't want to say that it will, hold that support line, but I think that's a good buy-in place. That's where I'm going to say. But either way, great. It has a ton of potential. If you haven't heard of Loopring, just know that it has a ton of potential based on the circulating supply, the popularity, and the tie between GameStop and Loopring, right? Currently, the market cap is at 4.1 billion. The typical hold time, people are holding it for 7 days. So they're constantly, like, they're buying up more and more, and they're just holding it. They're not letting it go because this is relatively new to Coinbase. So it's not something that has been on here for a hell of a long time. It's been on here for, let's say, I don't know, a little over 2 weeks, right? It's been on here for a little bit. But 7 days of typical hold time is really good. That means you have something that people really want to hold. And the reason why it's good to see that typical hold time increase is because it's developing the same mentality that it does for that we have for GameStop. GameStop is the mindset is to hodl, and when you tie these two together, now Loopring the mindset is to hodl, and I think this is a lot bigger and can make a huge move compared to just that mindset alone. Now we could see here that it goes through the detail, basically what I just told you in these articles, talking about Loopring and how it grew more than 60%, how it grew up to 380, the high obviously being 393. But yeah, seeing that grow up to 380 or 390 plus is absolutely insane to see that growth. And the question that they had on this article, which I always like to understand where they're coming from, is, can it reach $5 soon? I mean, it says that could surpass the $5 resistance point before the end of the day. So today, before the end of the day, doesn't mean before the end of 4 o'clock, because that already happened. Right now it's 4:09. But what we're looking for is it to hit higher levels by the end of the day, meaning, getting to 12 o'clock, or even depending what your day looks like. I consider my day, it has to be 4 a.m. to 4 a.m., right? 4 a.m. seems to be the mark to where it does increase and, massively make those moves. So that could be the move to where 4 a.m. it might end up making that large move and surpass levels that we didn't think it would get to until a few weeks from now, or maybe even a month from now. But this is showing a lot of strength. And to put this in perspective, the market cap is really low. The market cap is at 4.1 billion. Now, it wouldn't take a ton for it to get up to $5. It wouldn't take a ton for it to get up to $10. If it gets up to $5 at a $1.3 billion market cap, that gives you that level of about 5 billion, $6 billion market cap, closer to 7, I guess. But you're looking at a $1.3 billion supply, or 1.3 billion supply. That's low. That's really low. To get to 10 billion, that's considered the peak point of average, right? If that's considered the peak point of average, then you're looking at $10, $11, or whatever. I guess you're looking at less than that. You're looking at about $9 for that to get to close to a $10 billion market cap. Let's just leave it at that, right? Maybe a little bit less than 9. So anyways, you're seeing this get up to these levels on an average market cap. Just wait until this actually develops the full mindset. And if it does actually have that connection to GameStop, this can be huge. It can be absolutely just ridiculous, like with the price increase. It could be crazy, I'm telling you. That's why I do believe in something like this, but I obviously need to see the connection. So it's still all a rumor that Loopring and GameStop are connected. If anybody has any type of articles, feel free to go to my Reddit forum. If you want to go over to my Reddit forum, you'll be able to find it here, which is the Perry Experience Reddit. You can basically update me on this stuff here, and put something here. You can also go in my Discord group and put it there. Let me know over there. I review all this stuff all the time. But yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about with Loopring. I do have my potential, and I went through this in my last video. If you want a full breakdown of exactly what the potential is, let me know, or actually just go over to the video. It'll be up in the cards, or it'll be one of the last videos that I created. I don't know if I'll remember to put this on here. But you can see here what the potential is based on the price, based on the market cap. This is what it breaks down, right? So you be the judge in where this can go and where it can reasonably settle at before you see it hit its peak and decrease. So that's my video, guys. That's my Loopring update for everybody. If you guys want to get in it, I always suggest making a move that's, get your feet wet in the situation, and then start to make your move as you do see great price ranges, right? I'm comfortable where the price range is now, just because I see the full potential and where I'm looking for this to get to. But that's my video, guys. I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.